Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and immediate connections. Plug the second monitor into the preferred port, HDMI or display port, and power it on. This ensures signal detection. Once done, make sure the monitor's input source matches the cable you used, because wrong input prevents any signal. If you need an adapter, attach it now and secure the cable connection. Loose plugs cause flicker. These steps get Windows the physical signal, so the software detection can follow quickly and reliably. You open Display Settings by right-clicking the desktop and choosing Display Settings, because that's where Windows enumerates displays. Once there, look for the numbered boxes. If the second monitor doesn't appear, click Detect. This forces Windows to pull connected outputs. Then drag the monitor icons to match physical placement, so the cursor moves naturally between screens. Make sure to pick Extend versus Duplicate according to how you'll use the extra space, and set a native resolution to avoid blur or scaling issues. You finalize by clicking Apply and dragging a window across both screens to confirm the setup. This validates orientation, scale, and primary display choice. If the image is missing or resolution looks off, update the graphics driver, because drivers control display outputs and often resolve detection problems. Should issues persist, swap cables, try another port, or reboot the PC to clear transient faults. Also inspect the monitor's on-screen display for input selection. These steps finish activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.